on his neck a little bit. We palpate it a little bit already. See what's not moving well. Based on what I'm feeling, we're gonna adjust right here. Good. And a little bit on the lower neck right in here. Excellent. Okay.